Hey everybody, it's the Noah Show. Yeah.
You pissed her off.
Dude, stop! I'm trying to kill this motherfucker.
Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Why is he running so? Okay, I'll go over here.
Oh, I hit him. I hit him just a little.
Dude, get him.
Really? He didn't die yet?
Why is he not dead?
I don't know. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go.
Stop it before you.
No, let him go. Let him go. There might be a guy with the gold sword out there.
I don't care. I want to kill this noob. Stop!
Ben, come on, play with us.
He's not dying. I'm hitting him.
Ben, can you just play with us?
Okay, fine. Guys, I'll play with you guys.
You can borrow.
Stop it!
Yeah.
Why won't he ever slow down? I'm not keeping.
He's gonna run out eventually. No, I'm trying to watch Noah.
I'm not dying.
It's
Trying to watch Noah. Get out.
Look.
Kill Noah. Kill him.
He's not dying. Am I
Dude, don't stop hitting. Run!
Did you suck it in?
I should have followed you. Where are you? Head towards spawn. Head towards it.
It's your.
Stop it! I'm trying to watch. Freaking idiot.
Hey, I paid $17 for that.
Ben. Oh, my nipple. There's a reason why.
If it's broken, you're gonna pay me $20 plus tax.
I didn't know my nipple could extend that far.
Ben, test to see if it works again.
Okay, Noah. Come back to spawn and I'm waiting. Right in the middle. I can kill people.
Ben.
Stop it! You're gonna freaking. I found a chat. No, Ben, shut up! I can hear you, you idiot. I don't really care if you blow that in my face.
Raise up. Go to that like.
Dermatologist recommended end of trial and error has arrived. Try a free sample at USNUS.com.
I can't fit. Logan.
The IRS has delayed the start of tax season.
Wait, you gotta stay with me.
No, don't have a sword.
But an HMO law is
Alright, go ahead.
Did you say you can't fit?
Someone so you can use it.
Come on in.
Roger keeps falling off.
Right here at table 19.
I'll open ninja style.
Ninja style. All of the delicious entrees, like our new Parmesan crusted steak from our $20 dinner for two. Chili's, more life, happens.
Are you putting this on YouTube? Are you making your YouTube channel? Video on it?
Who has cheaper than Xanax?
Ew, are you It's hunting time. Are you freaking kidding me? Get over here. Ben, stop recording. And now, video. Ben! Shut up! Kidding me, Ben.
Stop! Oh my God.
Ben, got my big bag.
Oh,
Hold
I'm filming.
There you go. You're filming?
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, there's Wait, go up to this. Wait.
It all started with a big bang bang.
I swear I'm not a pedophile.
And what are you doing with that air horn?
No.
Stop.
Ben, if you
I wasn't gonna do it.
Yeah!